As print business demand increases, the processes that feed them must be as efficient as possible. So we are introducing the all-new update of OnPrintShop version 11.0. Get ready as we bring you the significant highlights of our update that will surely help your print business. With version 11.0, initiating InDesign template creation becomes a breeze. Create and import IDML files seamlessly from the template listing page. But that's not all. Managing block properties just got simpler. Introducing an intuitive interface empowering admins to modify default properties of the PDF block template. Here's a cool twist. Say goodbye to manual QR code generation. Now, inputting text for products or company details automatically triggers QR code creation, which is all configured by the admin. Witness the visual proofing tool's stunning makeover for better usability. Get ready to add page-wise comments, delete those empty ones, and dive into proofing history with a single click. On the other hand, the admin can now choose to share the PDF files page-wise or a single PDF with all pages for proofing, because proofing just got a whole lot smoother. Hold on, there's more. Our ship to multiple address feature gets a turbo boost. Customers make selections lightning fast from a single screen, enabling seamless ordering without missing a beat. Attention B2B and corporate stores. Now quickly set up zone-wise time display, currency tweaks, and enhanced product configuration fields in version 11.0. And wait, there's something for the tax-conscious too. VAT settings take center stage in-store and product configurations, adding precision to financial operations. Security buffs. Listen up. Get ready for fortified account protection with Google authentication login options and smart login attempt limits. Shield your accounts from potential threats like never before. Last but not least, we've enhanced protection for password guessing attacks. With a boosted performance and secure platform, you can now do your print business seamlessly. Discover the future of print solutions with OnPrintShop's all-new version 11.0. Explore these fantastic features and enhancements firsthand by scheduling a demo with our print solution specialists.